Ever wonder how my guide dog helps me with the elevator? Eddie, find the elevator. I'm Lewis, I'm blind, and this is my incredible guide dog, Eddie. Good boy. As you can see, he takes me right to the elevator and stops. Eddie, forward. I stick my hand out to make sure that the door does not close on him. Eddie, find the buttons. Good job. He leads me to the buttons. This is an elevator that I'm familiar with. And I'm going to the 3rd floor, so that's number 3, I believe. Ready? Forward. Right. If you think guide dogs are amazing, hit like, share this video, and comment below. Remember to subscribe to Miami Guy and his Guide Dog. See ya!